Hello and welcome back. Hey, so if you're watching this video, you must have been absent today. And so I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of what your new Canvas looks like and what you're going to be accessing and how you're going to be kind of going through Canvas this semester, because I did change it a little bit. So the first thing I want you to notice, I'm actually on my home screen, and this is my screen. And so I'm going to change to what is called Student View so that I can see what it looks like on your side, okay? So when I click on Student View, this is what you should see and what you should have access to. So first of all, on the home page, okay, there's announcements up at the top. And so this just has the announcement for today with the schedule for today. As you scroll down, so a couple things I want you to look at. First of all, there's Zoom links. So, you have your link to both class and tutoring sessions. Then there's a thing for this week, and that's what I want to show you. So I'll show you what that looks like in a second. You have links to your geometry book, your GeoGebra, quizzes, some of the more websites that we use on a daily basis. And then down at the bottom, I went ahead and put your schedule of what time we meet, because January, the schedule is different every week. So what I really want to show you is where it says this week. So if you click on this week, you'll see what we're doing this week, okay? So this is January 11th, and so if you click on Monday, you can see everything that we're going to be doing today. So there's an activity you're going to be working on. There's a Canvas walkthrough that I'm actually doing right now on video for you. And then notice there's a star, and it says Reflections and Resolutions. That star means that this is your assignment, okay? So if you click on it, it will take you directly to that assignment and tell you exactly what you need to do. This happens to be a Google form for you to go fill out, okay? So I'm going to go back into my modules, which I can get by clicking on modules, or I can go back to the home screen and click this week. So I'm going to go back into today. Okay, so this is what we're doing today. If I go to tomorrow, that's the next button at the bottom. So on Wednesday, you have an assignment. It is asynchronous, do it your own pace, but before the end of the day on Wednesday, okay? There's a GeoGebra link for you that you're going to do. And then again, do you see where there's a star? When you finish, you're going to click on the assignment, and then you're going to answer those questions. It's a quiz, but it's really just questions about the GeoGebra. Okay, so if I go back into my modules again, I can go into modules and get there. I can go to my home screen and click on the little calendar that says this week. Okay, so again, here's today. This is the assignment that's actually graded in the grid book. Wednesday, here's our objective. Here's the actual assignment with the star by it. If I go to next, so on Thursday, this is what our objective is. This is what we're going to be learning. And then this is the agenda for that day. So you have access to notes. There's another GeoGebra activity. And then again, a star means there's an assignment. Now, if you click on it, you can see what the assignment is. It is the workbook pages. But if I click on it and it looks like this, that means I haven't published it yet. So you can't turn it in yet. Okay? All right, guys. So I hope that helps as far as what your new GeoGebra, or your new GeoGebra, what your new geometry Canvas looks like. Don't forget today, right, you need to make sure that you get that assignment finished, that Google form. Okay, you're going to be kind of reflecting on last semester and then telling me what you're looking forward to this semester. Okay,